Hey guys, what is up? So I have my second replacement of Logitech speakers, and guess what? You won't believe it. They fixed the hissing sound. Amazing, right? You're like, whoa, they fixed it. Logitech came through. No. So I'm gonna, no hissing sound, right? Playing some royalty-free music. But guess what? The subwoofer's not working at all. Not working at all. I plugged it into my iPhone, speaker, the PC computer, which is now, and just nothing. It's completely dead. Have everything set up correctly. Did all my testing, and still nothing. Logitech, what the hell? Logitech, what's my next step? I mean, really, I'm so confused. I've never seen so many complaints online for a speaker system. How can we fix this? Just not happy.